Hello and welcome everyone. Today we're gonna do unboxing for Lenovo 300 Full HD webcam. So we're gonna do unboxing for this webcam, and let's see what's inside the box. So all right, so basically it comes with a small box with a big package. This Lenovo 300 Full HD Essential webcam, it's very much supports Full HD 1080p resolution. So let's get started and see what's inside the box now. All right, so it comes with the camera itself. Okay. All right, and let's see what's inside the box. Okay, looks like has nothing other than the user guide or user manual that's gonna give you more details you may need about this camera. Lenovo 300 Full HD webcam, Lenovo Essential Full HD webcam. So very much only comes with the camera itself. Other than that, it's a surface support. Okay, warranty. Then this is the camera. So let's see how it looks like the camera. Because I like the front side, which is the slide that can cover the camera. So sometimes you may not use the camera, but you don't need to keep the lens of the camera open, so you can close that one while you're not using the camera. So you can close it and open it when needed. So other than that, the camera resolution looks good, because I did search online about the Full HD camera, which is very much, I found this one. So yeah, I like that slide, so that can close and open the lens, so you don't have to keep the camera open, because sometimes you may have a Zoom meeting or something like that. So other than that, there is nothing in the box. So please subscribe to my channel and thumbs up. So thank you for watching and have a great night. Thank you.